Grammar. The invisible force judging you silently in emails, texts, and comment sections. You think you're just communicating? But grammar is out here grading your entire personality. At its core, grammar is the system of rules that helps language make sense. Word order, tense, and punctuation are the difference between let's eat grandma and let's eat grandma. 왕, 왕페, 로니. Grammar tells us who did what to whom. The dog bit the man, and the man bit the dog. Use the same words. But grammar decides which one ends up on the news. Grammar is not just about being correct. Grammar is about meaning. It organizes language so humans can understand each other instead of guessing wildly and starting arguments. At its most basic level, grammar controls word order, tense, agreement, and punctuation. These rules tell us who is acting, who is receiving the action, and when it happened. For example, the teacher praised the student. The student praised the teacher. Same words. Completely different meaning. Grammar decides who has the power in that sentence. Grammar also controls time. I eat pizza. I ate pizza. I will eat pizza. Same subject. Same object. Different grammar. One is present, one is past, one is future. Grammar lets us time travel without a machine. Now let us talk about punctuation. Let's eat students. Let's eat students. That comma just saved lives. Punctuation is grammar doing emergency intervention. Grammar also shapes tone and emotion. You finished the assignment. You finished the assignment. You finished the assignment. Same words, different punctuation. The first sounds neutral. The second sounds surprised or impressed. The third sounds like your teacher is disappointed but trying to stay calm. Grammar carries emotional weight even when we pretend it does not. Grammar is also about shared understanding. When people follow similar rules, communication flows. When they do not, chaos enters the chat. Think about texting, okay? Feels aggressive, okay? Feels friendly, okay? Feels like you are mad but trying to be professional. Same word, different grammar. Different emotional damage. Grammar changes by context. In academic writing, we say, I do not understand this concept. In a group chat, we say, I have no idea what is happening. Both are grammatically correct. They follow different social rules. Grammar adapts to situation, audience, and purpose. Fun fact, every dialect has grammar. Slang is not random. African American English, British regional dialects, and youth slang all follow consistent grammatical patterns. They are not broken English. They are rule-governed systems. For example, she running late. That sentence follows a grammatical rule in certain dialects that removes the verb to be. It is not incorrect. It is different. Grammar also reveals power. People with access to formal education often have their grammar treated as correct, while others are told they sound uneducated even when they communicate clearly. Grammar becomes a social filter, not just a language tool. And here is another fun fact. English grammar has no official governing body. No grammar police. No final boss. The rules exist because people keep using them, not because someone declared them law. That is why grammar changes over time. Ending sentences with prepositions used to be unacceptable. Now it is normal. Splitting infinitives was once forbidden. Star Trek did it boldly, and grammar survived. So, grammar is not about sounding smart. It is about structure, meaning context, and social rules. Grammar is the reason language works and the reason people argue in comment sections. If you liked this video and want to learn more, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.